Okay, people, it's hair wash time, and for me to show off my newest addition to my collection, my hair tool collection. Okay, get it out the bag. Okay, this is the box it came in. It's all banged up. Okay, it was the last one. Oh, oh my. Okay, here's the box. Here's the box. This is by Revlon, and this is that airbrush, blow dryer brush, okay, that they have. You know that one you've been eyeing and you've been wondering if it really works or how it works? Yeah, this one, okay. Now, this was originally priced at $59.99, and they had it on sale at the store for $47, okay. Online, they had it for $41. Now, I happen to be looking through my Cartwheel for Target, okay? It's a money-saving app that they have for Target. Okay, but I'm not going to go into details on that. It's about the dryer brush. And anyway, I had a 40% coupon, okay, in Cartwheel. So what I did was I took advantage of that. So I ended up paying let me see. I ended up paying $26.44 for this, okay? Now, this is in the color teal. It's a teal with black trim, and I am trying. They have the sorry about that, but they have the cord in this cardboard that's not that easy to tear open. I guess to keep people from just snatching it out the box. That'll work too. Okay, so this is what the cord looks like. It's got your reset button, okay, which is good, and it's got your test button. And this is the brush, okay? This is the brush, and it's big and bulky, okay? So I tell you right now, this is one of those brushes, you gotta have enough hair on your head, okay? First off. But anyway, this is what the brush looks like. It's a pretty teal and black. And you know what? I can plug it in right here. I'm going to go ahead and plug it in and see it doesn't have any settings. Yes, it has off, cool, low, and high heat. Can you see that right there? These are the settings right there. Okay, and so you're gonna, okay, so you turn this thing. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on cool just to see how it sounds. Well, let me turn it on off and plug it up first so we can get an idea of how this thing sounds, okay? Uh-oh. Okay. So, ooh, okay. That's enough of that. So it blows out cool and hot air like a blow dryer. Okay, so I'm going to find out how it works on my hair, and I'll be back after I get out the shower, okay, and wash my hair. But I'm going to have the sound off, so I'll play a little music because this is loud. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, people, I am going to section my hair off. And I'm only going to section it off in 4 sections, okay? Because my hair is not real thick. It is thin. It may look thick, but it's not, okay? And normally, what I do is, I normally just blow dry it like this. Sure do. Okay. So now I'm just going to section it off. And I'm going to come back and we're going to start and the sound will be off. And I'm going to put it on the high setting. Oops. My final thoughts. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Okay. So let me give you the specs on this. It actually dried, okay, just as fast as my blow dryer would dry, maybe even faster. But with the exception of the roots, it did not get my roots really dry. They're damp, okay? The rest of the hair is dry. I'm going to stop right there because you can tell when the hair is dry because this thing starts smoking. So, yeah. So the roots are what I have left, people. You can get to the roots, okay? I would suggest that if you do this method, that you do section the hair, okay? I have my hair stand, I section it, and I did this half in its entirety. But this part right here is more straighter. Okay, I did the section. So I suggest that you do sections. It'll be more thorough, okay, as far as your drying. However, the roots, okay, I can deal with that though. I can deal with the roots, okay? Now, another thing about this dryer is that it goes through my hair nice and smooth. Now, I did put the leave-in conditioner in there, okay? That's the only thing I added to my hair was leave-in conditioner, and I blow dried it. This blow dryer has bristles as well as these sticks that you see, okay? So it gives the hair nice, smooth, okay, easy run through. even though the hair is wet. So I'm really satisfied with my purchase, okay? And maybe you guys can pick up that 40% off, see if there's some coupons or some cartwheel, okay, if you have it on yours. But I do give this a thumbs up. So thank you for watching my video. If you like this demonstration, this review, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel because there's going to be plenty more. Most of all, stay blessed. Bye.